I'm finally making a video about the D equals RT formula. I know that took a while for me to do it, but I've been feeling sick, and I think it's because I'm getting ready to leave in like a week and a half. I'm really sick. I don't know why I'm so sick, but yeah, here it goes now. I'm just gonna get to the point. I'm sorry. Janet's old pickup truck can only reach a speed of 45 miles per hour. If she drives at top speed, how long will it take her to reach a city 135 miles away? So for this problem, you use D equals RT formula. I'm showing this to you just in case you didn't hear a word I said over my snuffled voice because I'm sick. I'm sorry. But yeah, use D equals RT formula. DRT stands for, the D stands for distance, the R stands for rate, the T time stands for time. See, D equals in the parentheses. Okay, so first you started off like you find out, you fill in the blanks basically. You fill in it, so you find out what the numbers are in the paragraph. So she said she was going 45 miles per hour. So that's the rate she was going, 45. And she said she's 135 miles away. So I filled in where the distance is. The only thing she didn't say is how long it would take to get there. So that's why I left the T as a question mark. You don't know the time, you got to figure it out yourself. So how I set it up was I did 135 equals 45T, because you know D equals RT. So I divided by 45 on both sides. Why did I do that? I did that because the 45 is where it's next to the variable. You always divide when it's the number that's next to the variable. So I did 135 divided by 45, and I got 3. It took her 3 hours. It takes her 3 hours to get there at top speed of 45 miles per hour, and the city is 135 miles away. That's how long it's going to take for her to get there. So that's simple. It's basically plugging in numbers, just like substituting, but it's not going to tell you. It's going to tell you, miles per hour is, when it says miles per hour, that means it's always going to go right. That's how fast she's going. 135 miles away, then, that's the distance. So either way, they might switch it around and give you the distance and the time, and you gotta find rate. It just all corresponds in the same way. I'm gonna do another video like that. I want to say tomorrow. I always say tomorrow, but I don't know. By the way my sickness is set up, I don't know if I'm gonna be doing it tomorrow. But I will be making a couple of videos before I leave, though. So I got another problem. It's another arithmetic reasoning question. Raphael can type 9 pages in an hour. How long will it take him to type 126 pages? So you might have saw this on like on your pretest for the Asvab, but they will give you something like this on your Asvab, because I had it and I was like, am I failing? Because it started to get easy. I guess they ran out of hard problems, but whatever. The way I solved this, I underlined. I basically pointed out where I seen the numbers, so I wrote that down. It says 9 pages is an hour, and then it said how long will it take him to type 126 pages? See that? So I did 9 divided by 126, and I got 14 hours. See, that's simple, basically. You just do 9 into 126. Why do you do that? Because he says 9 pages an hour. So you divide 9 into 126. You don't just do an hour like that, because some people was like, oh, well, what if I do an hour? It's not going to get you the same answer. You have to do it that way. 9 divided by 126 pages equals 14 hours. See that? I wrote it in a little tab. I feel like I'm not explaining this the best way I can, but that one was really, really, really easy. Okay, right now I'm about to teach the FOIL method. Like I did in the other video, I said factoring, but the first one was FOIL, I'm sorry. But somebody asked me to go over that again with a different problem, so I'm doing it. Whatever. Okay, FOIL method. I don't know what FOIL stands for. I tried to look it up, but it just, I guess it's foil, like aluminum foil. You can unravel it and stuff like that. I guess that's what it means. But the first step basically is I drew the arrows like how I did in the factoring video. I did x times x, and then I got x. You see, I should have wrote this a little better, but I got x squared. And then my second step, I did x times 2. I know that my 2's look ugly, but I did x times 2, and I got 2x. Why didn't I get x squared? Because it's not x times x, it's x times 2. Remember that. The third thing I did was 2 times x. You see how I drew the arrows over to show you? You see, I multiplied 2 times x, and I got 2x again at the bottom. I mean, right here. And for the fourth thing, I did 2 times 2. You see the arrows? And I got 4. You multiply it. You have to unravel it. So basically, I set it up again to show you. I brought the x squared down. I brought the 2x down. I brought the other 2x down. And I did 4. I brought the 4 down. You see? I put plus signs because none of the answers were negative. So you don't put any subtract. There's no subtracting here because all the numbers were positive. So this is not your answer. This is not your answer. This is just how I set it up at first. Your answer is going to be this: 2x squared plus 4x plus 4. The reason why it's that because you have to add like terms. The like terms in this problem was 2x plus 2x. So you add them, and this is your answer: x squared plus 4x plus 4. That'll be your last answer. That would be your final answer. So that's basically it. How you do that. I don't know. I just feel so sick. I don't know why I'm so sick. Hopefully this will go away by the time I'm leaving. I'll leave, but I don't know. I just feel so sick for some reason. I'm just extra hot. I don't know if it's because it's just getting really hot down here, and I don't know. I think I'm just sick all around. But I leave in 13 more days. It seems like forever. It's going by slow and fast at the same time, but whatever. Friday I gotta go back in to sign some stupid papers, and take a drug test, which is I'm gonna pass. And I never heard of them taking pregnancy tests at the recruiting office, but okay. But I guess that's something they're gonna try down here. I don't know about any other recruiting station, but I know the one here in Virginia. She said she's gonna give me a pregnancy test. I don't know. Whatever. I don't care. But yeah, that's it for this video. I'm probably going to make a video about something else, just random math questions. People just keep emailing me about random stuff, so I guess that's it. Bye.